Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your True3Fit LX 3-in-1 car seat featuring anti-rebound bar in forward-facing mode using LATCH. First, remove the anti-rebound bar by pressing the buttons on both sides of the car seat. The anti-rebound bar cannot be used in forward-facing mode. Next, remove the infant supports, including the head and body supports, and store them away. Remove the lower anchors from their storage location. To do this, lift the seat pad out of the way and push down on the black tab in front of the lower anchor to remove it. Repeat on the other side. Slide the lower anchor strap along the bar to the top for the forward-facing belt path marked with an orange label. Unhook the tether strap from storage and lay it in the seat. Use the front recline handle to adjust the recline to one of the two forward-facing positions. Make sure it clicks into place. Place the car seat forward-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Next, extend the lower anchor strap by pressing on the gray button and pulling on the webbing. Now you can attach the lower anchor connector to the anchors in your vehicle on each side. Next, pull the strap to tighten. Push firmly in the center of the seat and pull on the strap. You can also pull the free end of the strap through the belt path to help tighten if needed. Extend the tether by lifting up on the tether lock and attach. Tighten the tether strap to remove all the slack. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the forward-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. Replace the headrest pad flap and move the headrest to the proper position for your child. Your car seat is now installed.